Hello, good morning. My name is Richard Tony Soto Torres. Today I'm going to talk about my vacations. As you know, on Friday is the last day of the school activities. So everybody is going to be on vacation, sorry. And I'm going to talk about my plans this vacation. The first thing I'm going to do is to travel to Valledupar because my father is living there. So I'm going to visit him and I'm going to spend 1 week enjoying many things, many activities with him. I'm going to swim in Guatapuris River. Maybe you heard about that on television. I'm going to drink beers with my father. He loves them, and so do I. And I'm going to do physical activities. I'm going to play football with him. I'm going to walk with him and his girlfriend. My brother is living in Valledupar as well. So we are going to go to the disco and we are going to dance with some girls. I'm going to travel alone because I don't have enough money to take a girl. So, and besides, I'm going to travel by motorcycle because when I travel by car or bus, I get dizzy. So I'm going to travel by motorcycle and it is 5 hours traveling. So I'm going to travel alone. It's going to be uncomfortable and I don't want to take any girl to feel like that. When I am in Valledupar, I'm going to visit some friends that I have there, and we are going to catch up because we I haven't been to Valledupar since 2011. I'm going to come back to Mangue on July 1st because I'm going to finish some activities from the university. And after that, I'm going to go to Morro Sucre because some there is a party there. So I'm going to visit my friend and I'm going to celebrate or I'm going to participate in that party. I love traveling by motorcycle and I love visiting new places. That's why I'm going to travel to Coloso to know that place. Some people say that there are many beautiful things there, and I'm going to check it out. Finally, I'm going to study because we need to study to get better every day. So when I finish traveling, I'm going to start studying to get better and to improve my English speaking. I know that my English speaking isn't as good as other students, but I'm doing my best. So that is all about my vacations. Um, Only 3 weeks. I can ask for more. Um, in December, I'm going to do more fun activities again. So thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you soon. I hope so. Peace.